Good morning, students. Very good morning to all of you. From today onwards, we have planned to start MCQ series, multiple choice question series for 10th standard mathematics students who are going to appear their board exam in March 2023. As per the specimen paper provided by the board, it is clearly mentioned that 15 marks is allotted to multiple choice question. There will be 15 multiple choice question. Each question has weightage of 1 mark. So this multiple choice question will play an important role in getting 100 out of 100 in ICSE board examination. So each question has weightage of 1 marks. So students, if you want to score 100 out of 100 in mathematics ICSE board March 2023 examination, then you have to score 15 out of 15 in multiple choice questions. All multiple choice questions are compulsory. Total there are 15 questions. You have to attempt all 15 questions. Each question has weightage of 1 marks. So that is why from today onwards we are starting MCQ series for 10th standard mathematics student of ICSE board. So let us see the question. First question, if you can see this, first question, if a matrix A is of order 3 by 2, what is the order of the matrix A? 3 by 2. Order of the matrix A is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. And order of the matrix is, matrix B is 2 by 2. Matrix B is 2 by 2. A is of order 3 by 2 means A has 3 rows and 2 columns. B is of order 2 by 2 means B has 2 rows and 2 columns. So how we find order of a matrix? Number of rows by, this cross denote by, number of columns. Rows means horizontal lines or horizontal arrangements, and column means vertical arrangement or vertical lines. So horizontal line denotes number of rows, vertical line denote number of columns. So let us come back to this question. Order of A is 3 by 2 and order of B is 2 by 2. Order of A is 3 by 2, order of B is 2 by 2. Then the resultant matrix AB, AB means A dot B or A cross B, is of order. So first you have to check whether A dot B is defined or AB is defined or not. So matrix multiplication is possible only when number of column of first matrix, number of column of first matrix is same as number of rows of second matrix. So A dot B is defined when number of column of A, that is 2, is equal to number of rows of B, that is 2. So number of rows of B is 2, number of column of A is 2. So this 2 is equal to 2. That means AB is defined. Is it clear? AB is defined, A dot B is defined because the number of column of A is equal to number of rows of B. So 2 is equal to 2, so A dot B is defined. Then what is the order of resultant matrix AB? To find the order of the resultant matrix AB, I will take the order this 3, by 2. The order of the resultant matrix is 3 by 2. This row of first matrix and column of second matrix is the order of AB. So now let us see which option is there. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is the order of A dot B. 3 by 2. Which option? A. Option number A is correct option. 3 by 2. Is it clear? So matrix multiplication is possible only when number of column of first matrix A 2 is equal to number of rows of second matrix, that is 2. So this 2 is equal to this 2 is equal to this 2, and that is why A dot B is defined. Now additional question we will see in this. What about B dot A? What about B dot A? Whether B dot A is defined? B dot A is defined. We have seen A dot B is defined, and the resultant matrix AB has order 3 by 2. Now the additional part of this question. What about B dot A? Whether matrix B into A is defined? Matrix B into A is defined? That we'll see. What is the order of B? Order of B is 2 by 2. And order of A is 3 by 2. So when matrix multiplication is possible? When matrix multiplication is possible? When number of column of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. So number of column of B is 2 and number of rows of A is 3. So 2 is not equal to 3. 2 is not equal to 3. So B dot A is not defined. B dot A is not defined. B dot A is not defined. Is it clear? So matrix multiplication is possible. Matrix multiplication is possible only when number of column of first matrix. Number of column of first matrix. I have written BA. So B is my first matrix, A is my second matrix. So number of column of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. So when number of column of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix, then only matrix multiplication B cross A is defined, or B dot A is defined. But in this case B is of order 2 by 2, A is of order 3 by 2, the number of column of B is 2 and the number of rows of A is 3. So 2 is not equal to 3, therefore BA is not defined. BA is not defined, or B dot A is not defined. Is it clear? So if B dot A is not defined, we cannot find the order of B dot A. So what we have seen in this? Now let us see the additional question. We have seen A dot B is defined, but B dot A is not defined. So AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA. In this question we have seen we can define AB, and we have found the order of resultant matrix AB, that is 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2. But we cannot find the order of BA because B dot A is not defined. So A dot B is defined, B dot A is not defined. So one matrix, resultant matrix AB is defined and B dot A is not defined. So AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA means matrix multiplication is not commutative. It is not commutative. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. Is it clear? A dot B is not equal to B dot A. That means matrix multiplication is not commutative. Multiplication is not commutative, but matrix addition is commutative, because A plus B is equal to B plus A. So matrix addition is commutative, but matrix multiplication is not commutative. Second thing, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So matrix subtraction is also not commutative. Matrix subtraction is not commutative. So matrix addition is commutative, means A plus B is equal to B plus A. Then matrix